Hi. Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Bubble Live. This is your host Drishti Pathak. It's going to be Sharad Kelkar joining us in this live conversation today. And as soon as I get his request, I'm going to add him to this conversation. And I also remember the questions you had for him.
Yeah, it's better now, I think.
Hello. It's better
Hey,
now?
but still,
Yeah.
still, still, I can hear my voice because it's. I think your volume is. Oh, you're not hearing
I don't know
headphones,
because
correct?
I am. They're hidden.
Okay, okay, you're hearing. Okay, but then what? It's okay, chalo, theek hai.
I
Because
think the fans can hear us.
yeah.
They can hear it, and I am not getting a double voice. So let's see. Let's figure out if this works.
Let's see, let's
So,
see.
so I'm going to begin with this fan question that I really wanted to ask you, and everybody surely tells you that you have an amazing voice.
Thank you.
Amazing voice. So what do you do for that? Do you have the adrak pani and all of that? Do you maintain it?
Nothing. Nothing of that sort. I don't do anything. It's God gifted, yeah. So I don't do anything to improve it or yeah. When I dub, especially for different films, yeah. Um, then I try to modulate a little bit, but otherwise it's not natural.
Wow, that's an amazing gift that you have then. Okay,
Thank
Shara,
you.
tell me now, you've been working continuously. We last met for the Family Man promotions, I remember. Then there was
Right.
Tanaji, there was Houseful 4, there was work flowing in, and suddenly this lockdown happened. So is it
Uh,
easy breezy for you to sit at home? Are you, or is it?
uh, initially, I was thinking here whether I'll be able to sustain because I'm a workaholic. I go out every day. I'm used to shooting every day. But yeah, it hit me for around 2 3 days. But then I made my mind, okay, fine, we have to sit for a long time. So now it's fine. I'm at home with my family, so it's okay.
Okay, so since we couldn't meet you during Tanaji and during Houseful 4, I would want to quickly ask you about your experience with them. How was it?
It was wonderful because both the films, first of all, they have done pretty well in terms of box office. And while doing also because, to work with such tremendous talented actors and huge stars in the film, it's a different experience altogether. Both films are very big in terms of production also. So Housefull was fun because it was a comic caper, so it was great fun working with Akshay sir. Ritesh I worked with earlier also, and Bobby sir. Obviously, we play cricket together, so we are friends. Pooja I worked with in Mohenjo-daro. Kriti I know from earlier because I did a guest appearance in Guest in London. So most of the people I knew from beginning. Sajid sir obviously I knew.
Right.
So it was a it was a fun experience working in Household 4. It was a mad film. Tanaji, obviously, it was a very different and very interesting experience because before this, I didn't do any period film or historical films before that. Plus, if you're getting to do a character which is like God for us, like
Ji.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, it's a lifetime opportunity for any actor, and I was fortunate to get this opportunity. And initially, yeah, I was a little scared and a little because it's a huge responsibility on anybody's shoulder. So, but I think the credit goes to Om Raut who guided us through the film and everyone, not just me, but I think everyone. And that's what the film has came out pretty well, and it's doing. It did pretty well on boxes, and plus on Hotstar also is doing pretty well.
Yes, yes, it is. It is a beautiful film. Okay, so tell me now, since it's COVID-19, a pandemic is all over the world. A lot of films have been kept aside so that it can be continued later on once things are fine. Were you doing something that you had to also keep on hold?
Uh, Obviously now we are looking for anything will start not before July per se. If I feel nothing will happen. So what I can indulge into, like I have to maintain my fitness first of all, because normally in this time you try to binge and take it easy. So do that one thing I'm trying to avoid. And plus I'm reading a lot of scripts here because that thing I can do. I can. And regarding pre-production also, I think there are a lot of writers or the directors they're in touch and with whom the next projects are lined up. So we had on a discussion level case about what can be done and what kind of requirement you have or what we can do with the role or character and all. So all that is happening. Apart from that, we can't do anything. I don't know anything
I
basically acting apart from acting.
So, Sharad, you are a versatile actor. You're an amazing actor. And I remember last time I asked you which was your favorite role, and you said that, every role of mine is my baby.
Correct, correct,
So,
correct.
of course, I'm sure. But then you have to, if you had to, kind of just right now sit and binge watch on something that you have done, which project or which film or serial would you pick up and watch right now?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can watch Tanaji and the Unsung Warrior any number of times. It's like it's as a film, not just a character, but as a film, I love the film. It's a complete film. The duration is perfect. It's 2 hours. It's not more. It's like not 2.5 hours or 2 hour 45 minutes. It's crisp. Characters are well defined, and it's a very entertaining film. It's just not like a period film. It's entertaining with a lot of action, background score, fantastic performances. So overall, it's a good film. So I can watch that film again and again.
I'm sure, and actually, the one that you picked, I'm sure all your fans have also picked the same film because
Yeah,
they've
they're
also
they're
been
they're writing.
commenting.
Yeah, they're
They
writing.
have been
They all
commenting.
loved.
Okay,
Rachit is there. Shobhu
yeah,
is there. Amit is there.
yeah. So, tell me, when you heard of coronavirus
Hmm,
coming to India as well, did you
hmm.
believe the entire news that was doing the rounds? What was your reaction at that time?
Obviously, the first reaction for anyone, I think, sitting in any country, the first thing was it will not reach to our country. Then I still remember in
Hmm.
February, I think it was I was shooting in Rajasthan, and the talks and the news was around that it's spreading in China and now it's going towards US and Europe and everywhere. But there was another a rumor kind of thing that it can't sustain in a hot temperature. It's more than 26 degrees, so it can't sustain there. So we were all like believing that okay, fine. अभी
Hmm.
फरवरी
Huh.
है मार्च में गर्मी हो जाएगी होली के बाद then it will vanish. But nothing is true. So it's
Working out.
spreading and it's scary. It's scary. Right.
So, people are losing their families, their lives, and all of that. And since it's a very serious matter, which is why everybody is sitting at home, every single
Correct.
person. But there are
Correct.
still little people who
Hmm.
do not understand the fact and who are still playing outside and roaming outside, like nothing will happen. What is it that you would say to them?
It's utter nonsense, first of all, thinking that it will not come to them. This is a virus. It will not see anything that who you are. It will catch you, whosoever you are. So if you have this thing in your mind, अगर आपके दिमाग में ये है कि ये मुझे नहीं होगा, तो आप बहुत गलत है पहली बात.
No.
क्योंकि ये किसी को भी हो सकता
Right.
है. It will not see your age, your gender, or your religion, or what. Nothing, nothing. Or how young and fit you are. It can happen to anyone. One more thing, which is not scary, but yeah, it's a problem. But uh, because the mortality rate is too low, it's 4 to 5% or maybe 6%. So nothing to fear if you don't have any disease already, like you're suffering from something. If you're fit enough, I think if it happens to you, there's a cure. But the precaution, because you can give it to anyone. The
Right.
contagious part of it, it's the main thing. That's why everybody is saying to stay home. आपको नहीं आपको हुआ आप ठीक भी होगा लेकिन आप किस किस को दोगे ये नहीं पता है. That is
और
the
वो
scary
ठीक
part of
होंगे
it.
कि नहीं वो भी नहीं पता.
हाँ वो ठीक होंगे कि नहीं होंगे उनकी सेहत कैसी है ये नहीं पता है. तो आप खुद तो बच जाओगे दूसरों को मार दोगे. तो आई आपको
Absolutely.
बनना एक मर्डरर तो आप घूमिए बाहर.
Very, very well said. Beach Miss, I'm going to just take this name. Nadia Malik from Pakistan sends a lot
Oh
of
hi.
love to
Hi
you.
Nadia.
She's a big fan.
Hi
There's
Dimali.
one fan, Miss
Hi.
Shivani says, I was watching Kuch To Log Kahenge all over again.
Oh, a lot of people have started watching that show because it's a beautiful show. Yeah. It's a nice love story. It's not a very complicated melodrama show. It's a very simple show. It's a simple love story between a matured doctor and a young intern. It's one of my favorite shows. So it's thank you so much for watching it again.
So, when shows and films do very well and when audiences really admire it, they
Hmm.
expect a part two version of it. And that is what is happening with Kuch To Log Kahenge. Because before joining you, there were people who were asking me that, please ask sir, iska part two aayega kya? So, has there any conversations been around that?
I mean, obviously now people, because there are limited stories, so people normally do a spin-off or a season for it, and now it's time for seasons. I think the seasons are working everywhere, especially on OTT platforms.
Yes,
So
yes.
there might be a chances that they might make a show or they might do a spin-off on Sony Live, which is their official OTT platform. So they might because it's a nice show, and they should also.
Right, right. Okay, so Sharad, tell me now that we're all locked up because it's a pandemic, but has it ever happened कि बचपन में आपने कोई शरारत की हो और मम्मी ने grounded कर दिया हो, lock up कर दिया हो?
लॉकअप इन टर्म्स ऑफ शरारत बहुत डांट तो बहुत पड़ती है मुझे, स्पेशली मैं बहुत ही ऐसा दोपहर को है ना, स्कूल से आती बैग पटक के बाहर खेलने वालों में से था. और इन ग्वालियर ना इट्स वेरी हॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन समर्स. टेम्परेचर गोज टू 48 47. फिर लू लू चलती है उधर, एक लू सुना होगा आपने.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
तो कि अक्सर रोज मुझे हाथ पर खींच के अंदर घर के अंदर लाया जाता था और रूम में बंद कर दिया जाता था कि तू बाहर नहीं जाएगा यहाँ से, बिकॉज
जी, जी.
अगेन बाहर गया, फिर ठंडा पानी पी लिया, फिर बीमार पड़ गए. कि तो अभी वो सब बहुत बार झेला है मैंने, लॉकडाउन वाला प्रोसेस. नॉट फॉर बट डेज, फॉर आवर्स.
I'm going to pick this another fan question. There's this person called Being Inks Desh Pandey asking, how was your experience at Ramji Shamji Poha Wala in Nagpur?
Nice. I just been there in January, and it's very famous in Nagpur. They have some different kind of pohas there. And in the morning, I went there to the shop and I had a plate of poha. It's super yum, super tasty.
There's one request saying, Sir, Marathi में कुछ बोल दो, please.
काय बोलू मराठीत, म्हणजे काही प्रश्न असेल तर विचार.
अपने फॅन्स को कितना चाहते हो मराठी में बोल दो.
नाही, खूप आवडतं जेव्हा तुम्हाला काही पण काम आवडतं आणि जेव्हा तुम्ही लिहिता त्याच्याबद्दल की तुमचं काम आवडलं. अच्छा अच्छा, माझा एक मित्र आहे संदीप पाठक, तुम्ही सगळे ओळखत असाल त्यांना, खूप चांगला ऍक्टर आहे. आम्ही एक पिक्चर प्रोड्युसर होता इडक, आणि त्याला स्टेटचे 3 अवॉर्ड मिळाले. देन वी वेंट टू कॅन्स ऑल्सो विथ द फिल्म. तर तो फिल्म आता आम्ही झी बरोबर चाललंय बोलणं, आणि झी 5 वरती तो पिक्चर आता येईल. झी 5 ने घेतला पिक्चर. तो संदीप वॉज आस्किंग मी टू टेल अबाउट द फिल्म, which I was not supposed to, because until the contract is signed, I can't say. But now that there are chances, because one contract we have signed, so it will be on Z5 very soon. It will premiere on Z5. Hi, Sandeep.
Okay.
I hope you're safe and fine at home.
I also wanted to ask you, sir, since there are number of projects that you've done, I can't even list them out. There are so many. Has it ever been that you had to put down something and later on you realized, oh my God, I should have done that. It looks good.
No, I don't think so. I mean, touch wood, I've been lucky, and uh, because I choose by heart. I don't use my brain much. I mean, honestly, while choosing the project, obviously while doing it, obviously I use my brain. But normally I choose by heart. So whatever decision you take from heart, they can't be wrong. First, what I believe in, and that has happened till date. None of the shows which I said no for, and now I'm regretting, it's nothing of that sort has happened.
So अभी तो मैंने आपसे पूछ लिया about the film that you really love doing and you said that it's Tanaji. Tell me about a film that you love watching, something that's really close to your heart somebody else has done.
Yeah, I'm in love with comedy films, first of all. I believe in today's stressful life. I think that's one thing which can de-stress you. It's a comic element, and I salute all the actors who can do comedy uh, with that ease. Correct. So there are few films which I can watch repeatedly. Like I can watch Andhadhapna Apna Apna a number of times. I can watch Angur. I can watch Jane Bhi Do Yaro. I can watch. There are a lot of Golmaal. I can watch
Huh.
my Houseful 4. So I keep on watching them. Sorry.
Prateek from Bollywood Bubble team says it feels so awesome that Drishti doesn't understand a word of Marathi and she's asking him to speak in Marathi. And I got a little confused, but that was for your fans. That was for your fans, of course.
There's somebody saying
So
I'm in
Sharad
dark. What to do? I have came in the area where अरे ले बंद हो गई तो और भी ज्यादा. But I'm in a room where this much light is, and that network is quite okay. So
yeah, we
so
can't
I
risk
believe
with
in
the
network rather
network.
than
Okay,
I
so
can do
tell
one
me
thing. I
once the
can do
log
this cap like this, so I think it's much more visible.
light,
Correct.
yeah.
Hmm.
Okay,
Much more light.
so
Yeah.
once the lockdown goes, of course, you are going to be rushing to your work because you're a workaholic. But
No, I don't
tell
think
us
so. I'll
what
go
is.
because that I want to tell people also because don't rush. Once the lockdown
Hmm,
ends, this lockdown is finished, not the coronavirus. It's gonna stay there for a long time. We can't just wipe it out in next 15 days. So it will be there. So we have to be as I think we have to take extra precautions. Because
we,
right now
we,
people are not going out. There are not much of crowd outside. But once the lockdown opens, there will be crowd. And then you don't
absolutely.
know that who has this virus. So you have to maintain social distancing. Obviously, there are a lot of things will not open like cinema hall, malls, clubs, gyms. It will not open. Basic necessity things will open. Offices will open. But we need to be extra careful then. Right now, though, it's safe because there's nobody outside. So much
Right.
more safer. But once the lockdown opens, that is a moment when we have to control and we have to be really, really, really extra cautious about it.
Absolutely. So I think viewers who are listening should make sure that they don't rush outside once the lockdown goes off.
Ah,
But once coronavirus vanishes, what
ah.
is it that you are craving to do? What is it that you want to go out and do apart from work, gym, and all of that?
Yeah, obviously I'm an actor, yeah, so I would love. I would say that shoot should start soon, which will not happen for at least next after the lockout or after. Uh, if we assume that Corona will go after that, also we have to stay at least 1 month.
Yeah.
So that one thing, but yeah, obviously, uh, I'll meet my friends there first of all, who are safe and sound, who are at home, honestly, for a month or 40 days, whatever. But I'll see that whether they are not suffering from any virus or something, then I'll meet because one thing I've earned in last 15, 16 years in Mumbai, then my friends. So I want to really meet them.
And now that it's a lockdown, if you get a chance to get locked down with some famous personality, who would that be? It could be anyone, male, female. Who would it be?
Also, I'm not liking the word lockdown completely. I
अच्छा
don't
तो
want to be locked down with
quarantine.
anyone. No quarantine,
Quarantine.
no, no, no quarantine, no lockdown with anyone. I want to be a free bird. I want to go out and chill.
We
They name
totally
the most,
understand.
whosoever is there, whether I like really admire someone, but still I don't want to be locked down or quarantined with someone right now.
You're so done with sitting at home, right?
Done, enough. No quarantine.
So, यहाँ के सारे कमेंट्स देख के तो यही दिख रहा है that people really love you. But कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि किसी ने कुछ अजीब सा कुछ funny कमेंट पास किया हो आपको? Do you remember?
No, मतलब फनी तो बहुत सारे होते हैं obviously people like keep on like अभी last time when I did the family man I think I was bombarded with this silly question मतलब this was a thing that भाई बता दो लोनावाला में क्या हुआ था मैं ऐसे किया तो मैं क्या तेरे को बताऊं अभी so that question like haunted me for a month or two or still people ask me still you will see memes over it चलो अच्छा वो सब दिल्ली में क्या हुआ छोड़ो ये बताओ लोनावाला में क्या हुआ था so they are not concerned about the most thrillful high point of the show in the last episode that some gas is there and what will happen next in Delhi. They were more interested in what happened in Lonavala.
फिलहाल तो लोनावला में भी लॉकडाउन है, वही कह सकते
हाँ,
हैं
कुछ नहीं हुआ
हम।
लोनावला में.
So, like I just said that there are so many people who love you. You can't be
Hmm.
in touch with everyone and reply everyone क्योंकि
Hmm.
बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. तो आज सबको एक साथ बता ही दो that how much do you love them and adore them in your life.
Obviously, we are there because of you guys, because you like our work, you appreciate that. And for any actor, more than anything, the appreciation is the most important thing to perform further, better, and to improve the skills and all. So your love is very, very important for us. Your feedback is very, very important. And please keep showering that love, and I'll not disappoint you in future also.
Oh. So on that note, thank you so much for speaking to us,
Thank you, and
Sharad. It
sorry
was
that I
really
couldn't come
lovely.
at 6 o'clock. Once again,
It's
I'm saying sorry to
completely
all of
okay.
you.
All your fans are waiting. We were waiting, and it's fine because it was amazing speaking to you. It all was worth it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
Hope to see
Bye.
you soon after coronavirus.
100% we'll meet up soon. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
So, guys, that was Sharad Kelkar with us. I hope you all liked the conversation, and I hope you all are sitting at home while watching this. Meanwhile, I'm going to sign out from here. This was your host, Drishti Pathak, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Bollywood Bubble. We will be coming live again tomorrow with someone new with a fresh conversation. Bye.